In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a tab in Google Meet. If you want to share a specific browser tab during a Google Meet call, the process is quick and very useful, especially when you want everyone to focus on just one piece of content. This is great for presentations, videos, online documents, or anything else you have open in your browser that you want to show clearly without displaying your entire screen. To begin, look at the bottom area of your Google Meet window. During the meeting, you'll see several controls there, and one of them is the share icon. Go ahead and click on that share icon to open the presentation options. This is the main place where Google Meet lets you choose exactly what you want other people in the meeting to see. Once the sharing menu appears, select the option for tab. This choice is helpful because it lets you share only one browser tab instead of your whole desktop or a full window. That means viewers will only see the content from that tab, which can help reduce distractions and keep your presentation more organized. It's also a smart option if you have other tabs or private information open elsewhere that you do not want to accidentally display. After clicking on tab, you'll see the available tabs from your browser. Choose the one you want to present and then click share. This final step confirms your selection and starts presenting that tab to everyone in the Google Meet session. Once your tab is being shared, it's a good idea to double check that the correct content is showing. If you're presenting something like a video or animation, make sure the tab you selected is the exact one you want your audience to view. Keeping the right tab active can help your presentation go more smoothly and make the experience clearer for everyone watching. And that's it. To present a tab in Google Meet, just click the share icon below, choose tab, and click share. It's a simple feature, but it makes online meetings and presentations much cleaner and easier to manage. If you're sharing browser-based content, this is often the best option to use because it gives your audience a focused view of exactly what you want to show.